Okay, wow. Going to do a little bit of a sound test. Don't have the greatest setup because I've got a MacBook Pro with the fan spinning like crazy right here, and the kids are in the next room over with their sound machine on because they're sleeping. So you may hear some of that. Probably the fan more than anything. Otherwise, I've got the Rode NTG here recording. Probably could be propped up better, but that's what we'll deal with for tonight. We've got the Rama Zambumon Jules here, which is a top mount with a brass plate, hot swap PCB. And in that I have lubed Duroc version 2 stabs, which I was pretty pleased with. And then stock banana split switches, which I think come slightly factory lubed. I didn't do anything else to them. And then the PBT Graen switches, or caps. So that's what we're working with here. Super pleased with it. It's my first experience with like a premium board. So, yeah, a little sound test. This side of it is a little like snappier. I honestly wish the whole thing sounded like that, but whatever. Let's see. Error sound. All right. Now we can, let's see, can I? Hey, there we go. All right, don't judge me. Let's see how we go. Oh. One. 87. That one wasn't good. A couple mistakes there. $106. Yeah, so not too bad. All in all, I like how it looks. I like how it sounds. I feel like there's probably more room to improve that. Maybe with, probably lubing and filming the switches themselves. I'm a little worried because the banana splits seem to just mangle anytime you try to pull them out. I had to be like really delicate even today, just like pulling one or two out. So I don't know. We'll see. But that's that for now.